Hey, year sevens. Just thought I'd give you a quick video here on how to navigate through our resource or our book, if you will, for our geometry unit. Over here on the left-hand side is our table of contents. It lets you kind of navigate through the different sections of the book. So I made this video for day 5 because that's where I'm putting this in. Notice there's nothing for day 4. I might insert a little link to what was done on day 4, but that was mainly the adjacent angles. But if you forgot everything about classifying angles, there's everything there that was on classifying angles. But really on day 5, we're looking at complementary and supplementary angles. To navigate through this resource, you'll notice each one of these is kind of an object you can click on. So if you click on complementary angles, there's a little blurb that I gave you on what complementary angles are, so you can see that there to help you understand it and add to your notes that I've given you. In this activity, there's not much to really animate, but you can click complementary angle animation, and then there's some things that you can see. You can click animate and see things move. You can hide the right angle marking. So you'll notice that I've included the right angle marking to indicate right here that this is a right angle. When you're showing the complementary angle, it can be a little bit confusing to have the right angle of angle EDF at the same time as the angle markings for the other two adjacent angles. So you can turn this on and off to help you kind of be able to visualize things better. When you're happy and you feel like you have had a chance to visualize what complementary angles are, you've taken down the definition, you can click stop on that. And then you can move on to the next topic by going to complementary angles right here, clicking on the left-hand side, or down at the bottom, there's a little link that takes you to the next step. So complementary angles. And I've included you another way to be able to visualize complementary angles. So this one gives you another description of how this works. You can slide this to change your angles. And then you can slide this down to be able to visualize how complementary angles are made. So that helps you out. So a lot of these have animations and kind of give you the results. Do I need you to do this down here? You can also add those in if you need to, but at the end of the day, it's not compulsory. And here's a little video of showing you how to do that. Again, to go to supplementary angles, you click on supplementary angles over the side or at the bottom. And again, there's things you do. This time you can click animate and things will get moving. You can see how a supplementary angle is formed. You can take down the definition. You can watch. You can even click stop and double check. What's 140 plus 40? Oh, it's 180. You can continue this over and over. And you can see I've also provided you with the angle information down here with angle labels and descriptions as well. When you're ready to go to supplementary angles right here, you then click. You can keep going. The same holds true with your next days. You can see angles in the revolution, and I'll continue to add more content to this as this unit moves forward. So I hope that this helps you out. I also give you a summary here that is really helpful, and I try to give you a little summary. This is right from your textbook, and also a little trick that I found online as well. So I hope that this helps you out with your work today. Take care of yourselves, and see you later.